asem here kese pa yi say ya pomu de won sem no ese hwede na me na me tise mo kasa Ghana tise Ghana Ukraine.
I mean the level of lawlessness and hooliganism.
But we have arrived at this point. So many factors. Okay. The first point of call the Oboni Central for. Ye ka ho bi. Ye ho say ye ka enkebi. Ye ho say ye set agenda no. Enti ye set this agenda na obi a ndi sa line so. Enti me no anopa eni o ma miensa me ba se me besere mo. Efri na ekoi. The American ni say yenye e wo central adwuma nim ni say yenye bold, yenye fair, yenye objective. So what you say? Na ntimi fa ndi adwuma yedi. A typical example is Adjuran Sensemi by, and in this case with the chief imam so sorry if you say na daroma any nipa binimu so daroma na ne hoye na course no anona brase kakra. Is how all of us arrived at a conclusion na enye hwehwemu mpon wie besi na enye hwehwemu wie hu nipa omodi sa dem no it the obo for the central fund we have an honest responsibility if we say posi for mo tututu okum demonstrators in Ghana this year a soldier for mo tututu ekum Ghana for the Ghana this year it didn't just start this morning there be adam they share say 1992 so okwa abakosemo and I have a report here from 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 20 ababesi na no peka say there's a consistent behavior away security agencies in the it doesn't matter the political party in power. That is how they operate. So you ask yourself, say, what continues to be the challenge of a year bambofono enti abribia dano omudi ewusa because they are supposed to protect us. But bribia dano omutu sa na mona na kofa how kese de ide e de abre simply because yen the Oboni Central for no we are the masters of the game, so we arrive at conclusions investigative bodies require arrival as a country yen share problem sibrew yen share the problem sibrew eba na CJ or NDC or manhini or MPP
na politicizing
CPP so I want na wodi bone no otechire ho ana osire nyina say esan say yakwa ni CPP MPP NDC no will not get to him ndi obekoso edi semoni sa abesi na no peka say so the edge is that all media people the Oboni Central for we should be circumspect in the kind of reportage, in the kind of contributions I return from him. When we get to that point, and your press conference because if the politician is not ready to sacrifice his party for you, why are you ready to sacrifice your profession for the politician or any other person?
Exactly.
It's when we get that understanding, then Ghana is taking a shape because Mame Kase when you see Accra Kumasi Road, Mimi we school 1989-90 form 5. As of this time,
we school
1990. And then we school na brother and my school. Yes, you look at it. So it is 89-90 and we form 5. Na ye Kumasi Accra Road. As we speak now, Kumasi Accra Road no ye we are na. Why? So these are the conversations.
Yeah.
Why haven't we been able as a country a prime revenue generating road like Kumasi Accra Road? Ebesi na no problem no kase. Yetimi ye. Adehye ne Ghana fo akunkum omo amongst them they be adamekai say urologists for no mokulibu.
Yeah.
And other people including Satime na Motechima Alhaji Kojo Bama nyame for the crazy no NDC chairman.
Yeah.
A lot of people. A lot of people. When there was an attempt by one Ghanaian Zoom Lion say this we missed that boat because Sikane woman we should have tackled and she said no. But Yakoyan say I Zoom Lion there and the Ghanaian continues to be his own enemy. Say Lebanese ni, say Indian ni, say Turkey ni, and a towing system ni ba. Are you saying that we don't have Ghana as we build the Malcolm this and
we have more?
We have it.
We have more.
But the frustration we give ourselves, the frustration. Sesia my sempanya na say or be setting up one of the biggest construction companies in this country. These foreigners no as a Ghana foreign person if we are not careful, the next 5 years a day all all lands in Ghana. So who CJ who could pass as a Tojo Olua? You will connect Manfreni who ne catch us. As a result of Yinano, ye jaya home. And our mine air course autopilot and echo teacher for now. Maya Nipa woman in our person quite a manual assembly. My papa. Central for person quite a manual assembly. A lawyer for some quite a manual assembly. A lawyer for person quite a manual assembly. Dancers person quite a
celebrate dying.
Obia person quite a manual assembly.
Yeah.
If we have gotten to this point where all professionals and professions are more focused in being a politician or active member of a political party, we have a problem.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Ghana ye, Ghana Kanko, Ghana Mpuntu, Fakesianano, Abidjan Central for so. And we have resorted to a lifestyle here. We think that insulting people now is the antidote to our solutions. No, it is not. It cannot be. The other crown apart from traditional media, the more friend social media. They ain't me more than Twitter and all the media. And I want to find me. There's a broken half media. We had the so and then I see Twitter, I see I see way now no that cry because he says the old people say me join more Clubhouse and I'm the Clubhouse here we be and oh what catchy Clubhouse a new app be meaning
recently no be catching Snapchat. Maybe honestly
Mislamo that space now you occupy no we can make Ghana work again. Everybody shas here you did you want him. Everybody shas here. The Ghanaian lost his identity because all of us, we looked on carelessly. Now you knew and cry. So I want and then the pay. Now I want to catch a person in could account and I ran quite any fufua. Now all the people want to move to
French fries, you know.
So we are importing. We are importing it to this country. And almost edgy and what you know, echo mukrum. It's very serious. And you are near who do and now the back or Cotoba or Frano. Some of these places are they don't even understand and what they sunqua they don't amane all those they don't understand. Ghana for mad duana and Mamuntini Mancasamun say Ghana for mad duana the spices na Ghana see Ghana lazy way of cooking, lazy approach. Ghana from mad donano. They don't cook well. They don't. They don't cook well. In through in your 4-time on crime montation. You will be shocked and amazed. Who could you now Obama on the corner? Oh, mommy, yeah, them say already for bonnet because you have refused what you are supposed to learn in the house.
Yeah.
Most of you are working class.
The nutritious way of cooking.
Working class. You want to maintain your house. What kind of food? I don't know. Demonstrate.
5 years, 10 years, 20 years to come. No?
We are lost. Yeah. We are lost. All abnormalities are becoming normal in this country. TNA, all abnormalities they are becoming normal in this country. Dear Ensign Fata. Ebribia na etwem no ene yaje atum say normal it would depend on tema normal udi tra normal because dishonesty pays in this country. Dishonesty it pays in this country. When you are dishonest,
yes. Oh, say ya so maybe so. Ya so so man ayesa.
Yeah.
O ka say atem didie na fi.
Yeah.
And Crawford na radio so did attend they hail them.
Yeah.
You understand?
And they are paid.
They hail them
for insulting.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I support that.
They held them to the extent say, who now we are German because who didn't Crawford them. And we allow these things.
Yeah. So we keep asking ourselves, say, what can we do to change the situation? Very simple. What can we do to change the situation? Because Maza, say moi, na situation now. By the time we come to our senses, no, me no targets, no, and I keep telling people, the first point of call, we target, no, Centurion and the Oboni. In Tiayo say you have a certain exalted view of yourself. Apologies to Obi, no. you are getting it wrong entirely. Entirely. It's a samba nanu adura na obi da form na de a drip esini so.
Yeah.
We any political issue. A major concern. A source of worry because TJ minimum time I got problem of adura me sure hospital hang me na ba ko wiem me drip no and that from it's a say far away from you it's a big lie
but also the major political parties want to make political capital
because we have given them the space.
They want to make political capital.
We have given them because Mami Kancho and I told NDC at their face I just saw the petrol politics in this country again. I tell you that you're a liar. We have to look at their face and tell them. You cannot use petrol as one of your political power points. So they be convincing any Ghanaian again. What we have to do, they say a coin ben ye be fast at all ne bust. Almost say omo ye no e beti imagine because bust all lift oil I store. Are we storing or refining? Are we refining?
No.
So how do we go about it? It will give us a solution to most of the problems that we have as a country. But the moment we shift cultivation, now you're calling MPP NDC. Can NDC promise all of us that on bomb to Petromana? Can NDC tell us? Say omu to Petromana. Can the MPP also continue to tell us that no more to but what do you do? Deregulation. The government says that he is not a part of that. Yeah. So as Omano, Asamba, Yensheni Sibre, Nien solve the problems of the country, not with that political intention and that political covering. When the MPP is in opposition, when the NDC is in opposition, the politics of principle is missing. Today it is white. When the MPP goes to opposition, tomorrow this white thing now you are black, and you are amazed at how people will support it.
Yeah,
you are amazed. That is why Yebenya Kukuduaka say year of roads. As we speak now, even though Akwani be Kuko Kosono, Ukomikrom of Kenya, a horrible roads. You are asking yourself, year of roads, how is this happening? I can see. If I can feel it.
As a man can say, back crosso, and then a payer so for some whole weekend.
Yeah.
Just say, me call leave me fast so. Yeah. And Fidia Guswamu. Yeah. But an a pain also for some money. I say, and Fidia also in a self.
So the minister, Emianofa, Amakwata, should come clear and tell us that this contractor, Ebia Sikasemtino, Atosi, across from Munya Botema, Ebia Debi, a Tia, as so walk one so, more report to this toll free line. Now, me who say, Papa, or my Juman so, until we start taking people on. Yenyans have political figureheads, no. That's what the public and the civil servants are for Modino. Some of the public and civil servants, no. And would you Modi Ghana, no? If you go to cantonments and Roman Regia, most of these insane buildings, they're public and civil servants, they're Modia. Omo shet try say omo no atade ba ko penikuto omo try say bia say jiseja omo shoe aswear God, please get back into the archives, because they will tell you that yeah they were how una wo kon wa side aba. And what they are doing to this country, reasonable number of our civil and public servants, you know, they are milking the country and nobody is caring about that because you be MPP and NDC.
Yeah,
how can we do that?
Yeah,
we are fixing the media, we are fixing our public service, we are fixing the civil service, we are fixing the mentality of government appointees who have been given that privilege. You don't lord it over us. You're a minister, so excuse me. You don't lord it over us. We rather should be at our beck and call.
Yeah.
But it's the opposite.
Yeah.
So as I said,
it is not until you must fix
we need to fix, because President said my banyas are buying. What the bigger responsibilities of your hospitals, your schools, your coin. Once a buying is being pressured to sit up and look up all those things, no. Yes, every department, because me down me say, Tessano Police Depot, we are getting 4 p.m. Traffic catch it. Not driver Nibia in the bare major so good car time. Everybody was just looking on. Charlie, my men draw a corner tells you, say. High radio so. Me fa me nkwasi ya 7 me condition guy me team no. Empe baby ntina. About damn the kaka kwasa. Hi baby. As if we were there. And everybody was just looking on. Johnson didn't know. A my dear no kwan no ho a e kire say obetimi Johnson agogo no. Whoa.
So you see,
this is the mindset.
So
mini obi gina laboni maami phobia lodu car no amo lodu amani ebu afaso ani gina driver no. Now obi dey meka o ka say the so driver nti wa de wa yegu so maami ba ko te so ya the super glue so crash ma adwe ye ko yeah.
O say dey.
Omo the super glue so kenten no. So on mine no hey ne chichire no it cannot be for John Mahama or Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We only hold them responsible because they are appointed. So once you have appointed and they are not giving you results, you can change and bring new people who will give you results.
I'm not saying I'm share video.
Yeah.
Madina Race Junction. Oh. Yekosie nipa wo ma yekosie no. E ma mrantie wa me de moto de
ni post ni cost stop
and
everybody was just looking.
Yeah, they were there.
I mean, like how?
Everybody. And the other time I appealed to the Zongo community. Me say Zongo for no. When the catcher almost said Zongo is meant for to trust him. Who told them that? They are giving people to buy into that perception. And you know Zongo. When you're careful, you fall victim.
Yeah.
And I've appealed to Aziz Futa, Anna Nasiru, Alaji Nasiru, that they should start holding forums and deba for the Zongo community. A Zongo can be a president. A Zongo man can be a celebrity.
Yes.
A Zongo man can be a superstar. A Zongo man can be a broadcaster. A Zongo man deserves all the best things that anybody can think of. Why should the Zongo be for dirty jobs? Why? Why should the Zongo be cut for? Why should that perception be on? Why? Why should we do that? So if we don't get to that point, so everybody is capable of becoming whoever he wants to think in an enabling environment. Me a jeja who say me the Zongo, me no na no kwan sebi nyansa be no motorbikes be 50. No mo ankasa de omo pe a block kwan. Na post ni catch us say shey no we so your dem no de oye hwan nipa bia nyo bia because wu no matter what we do. So ono na breadwinner kra koka wiem. The sad story is that nothing can be done. It cannot change.
Okay.
Why do you also want to put yourself in that same situation? Because when you're careful, tipa truck, motor bebe 10 years, 12 and in this country, Nyoma avoidable majority. Uchi moto, red soa, jina, or simile minina, may smart. None of fiesta on the way, none of fiesta. About 2 weeks ago, Anajube 9. The free Achimota Honomo Babasia Kotemano, Aso Green. Motor rider and free Fiesta Honum Game Pana Eba. Eti ono no meaning so or calculate so betima ye smart. Must many.
Pijano Korea.
Na nipa da wa se some people na we ndie. Nya so ya mekwa me elder. Kaminia da je kura me twen okura. But as I say, minya humo buru because unyamia hu de atumu na o mana ko Jimmy Kwast. So it's avoidable.
You are kasa nyame na odema.
Nyame na eji.
Ono oji
in this country. Nyame na edema. Unyame na eji.
Ajene kwa mbone so.
Da me besia na da mbato nsa afre me se na nse musim bato nsa afre. Unyame hu mo na mo kasa ya juma keke. I see. CJ ni asempa mo adwene ne baba wo.
Awa kene kwa bra sa.
Ba o ma me yo ba.
Nyame ya kire wo.
O ma me yo ba.
Nyame ya kire.
O ka da no asem na mbusa wo.
Uyi ma no yi na